Hey everyone! Setting up Wix Payments is the most integrated way to accept credit cards, Apple Pay, and local payment methods directly on your site. The process is streamlined to get you from setup to selling in just a few minutes. Step 1. Access the Financial Hub. This is where you manage all your incoming revenue. Open your Wix dashboard and go to Settings and select Accept Payments. Find the Wix Payments section and click Complete Setup. Ensure your business location is correct, as Wix Payments availability varies by country. Step 2. Choose your business type. Now we move to Business Classification. This determines what legal documentation you will need to provide later. Select whether you are an individual or sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. Enter your basic business details, including your business name or your name if you are an individual, and your website's industry category. This step is crucial for compliance. Make sure your industry category accurately reflects what you are selling to avoid account holds. Step 3. Connect your bank account. We are performing the payout connection. This is where Wix will send your earned money. Enter your bank's routing number and account number. You will also need to provide personal identification, like a tax ID or SSN, to verify your identity. Wix uses this to perform a standard Know Your Customer check required by financial regulations. Step 4. Confirm and activate. We are finishing with the live activation. Once your details are submitted, you can start accepting payments immediately while your account is being verified in the background. Check your email for a confirmation from Wix. They may ask for a photo of your ID or a bank statement to finalize everything. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.